I'm going to be teaching you how to make ringtones and put it on a Blackberry Curve. So the first thing that you need to do is find a program that can cut down songs that you have on your computer. I'm using MP3 Trimmer, which is a free program, and you can get it at www.mp3trimmer.com. And the first thing you do is you open the program, and then you go to File and open New MP3 file. Then I'm going to use the song from my iTunes. So I went into my iTunes folder, and the song I'm going to be using is Just Dance by Lady Gaga. So, okay, wait. I'm going to search for it. And there it is. And then I'm going to open it up. And it'll open onto the MP3 Trimmer. Oh, sorry. And then once it's open, you can set your in and out points. So if you play it and say I wanted a part from here, and I want the chorus, so I'll set the in point there, and you press that, which will set your in point, and then I'm going to play it to where I want it to stop. And that's where I want it to stop, so I'll set the out point, which is right there, and press set. Then you're going to go to File, and you're going to save the trim section. If you save inverse trim section, you're going to save the black parts, but I want to save the part in between. So I press Save Trim Section. Okay, so after it's saved, I'm going to save it to my desktop because that's easiest to get it. So I go to the desktop, and then it's going to save under the song, and I press Save. And now it's on my desktop right there. The next thing that I'm going to do is, using the cord that the Blackberry came with, I'm going to plug it into my phone. And it should come onto my computer. Right there. Under no name, because I didn't name it. Then if I open my Finder, which is down here, I'll go to the no name, and since the ringtone is on my desktop, I'll go to the desktop, drag it to the no name folder, which is my phone, go to that folder, and there's the ringtone, but I need to send it to my ringtones folder. And that will be under Blackberry, which is up here. So I'll drag it in there, click on Blackberry, and there it's my ringtone. I'm going to drag it into the folder called Ringtones. And there's all my ringtones that I already have. And there's the one that we just made. So if I eject my phone, now I can disconnect my phone. And if I go to Ringtones, which is under Media, here's all my media. I go to the Ringtones, and I go to My Ringtones, here's the ringtone. And I can set it as my ringtone if I go to the menu and set as phone tune. And it's going to ask, and you say OK. And now when anybody calls, that ringtone will go off. And that's how to make ringtones and send it to your Blackberry Curve. Bye-bye!